got a couple of little things. 2 couches, 3 girls, 1 ute. If I was gluten intolerant, I think I would cry. I finished moving my drawers. We got our food, we got our view. Adventure part 2. I look crazy because I just woke up, but today it is Monday and I realized that I never showed you what I bought from Kmart yesterday and Ikea, so I'm gonna tell you what I bought from Ikea because there wasn't that much stuff. I just bought 2 sets of drawers, which you guys will see me build probably today, and a little clothing rack for my filming room, which I'll also show you guys as well. And then we went to Kmart and got a few things, so I thought I'd show you what I got from there as well. Firstly, I got a mattress topper. So when I actually get my bed frame, I'm going to put this on there just to make it like a marshmallow and super, super comfy. I also got some new pillows as well, just because some of my pillows are quite old and that's kind of gross. So I got some new ones. I also got this, which is just like an over-the-door shower caddy. I think that's what they called it. But we have 3 girls and 1 shower, and the shower comes with like 1 shelf in it, and we need a little bit more storage than that, so I bought this so I can put my products on this in the shower, just to create a little bit more storage in the actual shower. I also bought a big bin for the kitchen, so we don't have to just have a rubbish bag hanging on the pantry. We can actually have a bin, so that's really handy. And then I just got a couple of little things. First things first, I got a little white chocolate lint bunny for my boyfriend because he loves white chocolate, and yesterday was Easter and I was supposed to see him, but we didn't end up seeing each other, so I'll have to give that to him today because I'm seeing him for my birthday today, because my birthday is actually tomorrow, but he's leaving to go on a trip tomorrow, so I'm seeing him today instead. I also got a soap dispenser for our bathroom. It's just white, it's got a little bit of a pattern on it, but yeah, I got a little soap dispenser. And then I just got 2 packs of these no-show socks, which are like my favorite things ever. I just don't know where all of mine have gone, they've just disappeared, so I got a couple more packs, and that is everything that I got from Kmart. I'm gonna go have a shower now and use my new shower caddy. That's why I filmed this as soon as I woke up, because I wanted to have a shower, but I wanted to show you this before I had a shower, so now I can go have a shower because I should film this. Okay, bye. Back at my parents' house, picking up the couches, so we finally have some furniture in the lounge room. Good time, good time. Kia's here helping us out. What a lovely squad I have. 2 couches, 3 girls, 1 ute, no problem, kind of. Couches are actually in the house now. I just vacuumed them and cleaned them off a bit because they were a bit dusty. So now we're actually going to put them in the right place and we'll actually have a lounge room, which is fantastic. Excuse all the mess on the coffee table. I'm trying to build some Ikea furniture. But look, we have a lounge room, TV, coffee table, couches. We'll probably need to get a rug eventually, but looking good. So I finished building it all. I've left the drawers out of them so I can move them a bit easier into my room. I'll show you my room right now. It is super, super, super messy. This is my current situation with my room. I just don't have anywhere to put anything, which is why I need the drawers. So I'll show you an after of what it looks like after the drawers are put in and after I've cleared everything out and it's looking a little bit neater. It's now like 12:30 and I'm just doing some really light makeup. I'm going out with my boyfriend. He's gonna be away for my birthday tomorrow, so we're hanging out today because he leaves tomorrow. So today is like the only day we have. So I'm not really sure what we're doing yet, but we're just gonna kind of go for a drive and a little bit of an adventure, I think. Nothing too crazy, but it'll be really, really nice to just spend some time with him before he leaves. But that's a little update for you guys. I've got myself some lunch here. I made a sandwich because I love sandwiches, and I know they're not that good for you, but I love sandwiches so much. I love bread way too much, to be honest. I just love carbs. If I was gluten intolerant, I think I would cry. But I'm gonna keep doing my makeup and I'll talk to you guys later. I finished moving my drawers, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the other side that I showed you before. So in this one I just have like socks and bras and stuff like that. This one here I have pajamas. I have a lot of pajamas, I know. The next one I have is just like hoodies and stuff. Up here I just have shorts. And then below that one I have all my workout stuff. And then in the one below that I have nothing yet. So that's my little setup. I've just got some little decorative pieces there. I just got dressed to hang out with my boyfriend, wearing this top from Zaful. My skirt is also from Zaful. And then I don't know which shoes I'm gonna wear, but one of those, either Vans or one's from Target. And that's my outfit. And I just did some super light makeup. It just is quite natural, but I just wanted something simple, but still nice. We just got to Mount Tambourine and we're gonna head into the shops and get some picnic supplies for our picnic. And then we have to find a location. We have a very balanced cart here, basket full of nutritional value. We got our food, we got our view. I feel like it looks a lot better in person than on camera. I'll show you guys what we got. So we got some donuts, we got some veggie chips, we have some sour cream and chives delights. We have some cotton candy grapes, and we have some red frogs. These are your favorite. So we have our little setup. Beautiful. Saying goodbye to our picnic spot and heading off to do a walk. Came for a walk and it is muddy. I'm gonna slip over. Adventure part 2. Alright, I just want to see. See you later, dudes. So I didn't get to end off my vlog because my camera actually died literally as I was filming that last clip that you guys saw. But I had such a lovely afternoon / night. We had dinner on the beach. It was so lovely. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and get excited for my birthday vlog, which is the next vlog that you'll see. Goodbye.